What up, YouTube? I just want to share a secret with you. It's my sweet sticky barbecue sauce, and it's a cheats method. Get the barbecue sauce that you want, the one that you like straight out of the packers, that's not too bad, right? Even the cheap stuff. Squirt it into a pan, roughly how much you're going to need at the end, and then you want to get a jar of raspberry jam. It doesn't matter what brand. That's just random one that I'm using here, and put about 200 grams of it, so roughly about half of a normal jar. Just put that in the pan with your original barbecue sauce. Put that on medium heat, and just work it in. Just work the raspberry jam into the barbecue sauce. Take 2 or 3 minutes, and then put it down on low and let it simmer for about another 10 minutes. And that's it. Don't add anything else. Just leave it like that. Let it simmer 10 minutes. You can put this on wings, ribs, brisket, man, everything. It goes on everything. People are going to come around to your barbecue and be like, God damn, what is that sauce? And you're not going to tell them. You're not going to want to tell them. Just, yeah, keep it to yourself. If you're into smoking meat, yeah, just so you do your smoke, and then often people will wrap or boat. So you'll wrap aluminium foil, or you'll boat it in an aluminium tray with your apple juice, spritz, whatever. When you pull it out of that boat or wrap period, that's when you baste it about 15-20 minutes at 110 Celsius, or about 250 Fahrenheit, and leave it for 15 minutes and let that barbecue set. It's amazing. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.